Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Decode ITES. Decode ITES provides you single learning platform for multiple IT technologies. My name is Rohit Garg and I am having 13 years of experience as database administrator, database developer and trainer. You can also follow us on my personal blog MS SQL Fun. Download SQL Server Developer Evaluation or Express Edition. This is next lesson in continuation of our SQL Server learning series. In last lesson, we had enabled Hyper-V and installed Windows Server 2016. This is to configure local environment for practice. To complete the environment setup, we need SQL Server setup files. In this lesson, I will drive through with the process of downloading free setup file of these editions. As discussed in previous blogs, all three are free editions and you need not to pay anything for these to Microsoft. But beware about the limitation and restriction of each editions. Let's start the download. To download a free setup files, just open the Google and mention download SQL Server. I can give you the direct link to download it, but please don't use it because Microsoft keeps changing it with the introduction of each new version. So the first link is good enough for you. You just need to click on it. In this page, you will see the three options. One is for evaluation edition, which is valid only for 180 days. The next one is developer edition, and one is express edition. On the basis of requirement, of your environment or your local box, you can choose the version for download. We will use the evaluation edition, which is good for 180 days. This is sign up to download. Microsoft needs some basic information to be captured while you are installing the free setup files. Friends, I am not hiding my contact details in this screen because I believe we should contact each other for any feedback or any new learning topics. So just put your details here. You can select the job role. I will put a DBA, submit. Once you click submit, your download link will be ready to download. You just need to click it. You will get this file. This is not the setup file. This will give you the option of downloading a particular setup. First one is basic. Basic is select basic installation type, install the SQL Server database engine feature with default configuration. It will not allow you to change anything. Whatever the basic thing Microsoft had selected will be installed on your box. It will not give you the offline setup file. This one is custom. In this, you can choose the options or components you want to install, but again, it will not give you the offline setup file. But we need the offline setup file, which is this option, download media. Just click it and it will ask you for the language, ISO or CAB. I will go for CAB. The compressed file, this is the location where download files will be saved and download. It depends on your network speed, how much time it will take, because setup file is around 1.4 gigs. Our download is running. Let's wait. Friends, our download is completed. So let's see the download files. So we got two files. One is the exe file, one is box file. This is not the ready setup to use. We need to unbox this .box file. To unbox, we will run this exe file. It will ask for the location where it will unzip the file or unbox the file. Just say OK. So this exe automatically creates a folder for you. In next lesson, we will install SQL Server 2019 with this setup and discuss the available multiple components during installation.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.